To the sea. Call me Ishmael. A few years ago, when I had no money and was bored of life on the land, I decided to explore the sea. It is my way of fighting my sadness, boredom, and trapped anger. It's a way of calming myself down and putting some order in my life. There is nothing surprising about this. I think everyone has felt the same desire to go to sea at least once in their life. Think about Manhattan, for example. This island is full of businesses and shipping, and every road takes you to the ocean. Look at how the waves wash the sea walls and the winds cool the people who go down to the water's edge. Look at the crowds there. People escape from the prisons of their homes and offices and come to the edge of the water. They stare at the ocean as if it were a mirror and dream about the sea. Some of them stand so close to the water you think they are going to dive in. Wherever you go in the world, the sea reflects the desire for change and adventure of anyone who looks into it. When I say I go to sea, I do not mean that I go as a passenger on a ship. You need money to be a passenger, and I want to be paid. I go as a member of the crew. I don't mind obeying orders and working in the harsh weather. That is when I feel alive. I always go to sea as a sailor because of the wholesome exercise and the pure sea air. I usually went to sea on merchant ships, but this time everything was different. This time I decided to go on a whaling ship. I can't explain why exactly. I think it was a deliberate choice, but perhaps it was what fate had in store for me all along. More than anything, it was the idea of the great whale himself. I was excited by the mystery of whales and the wild and distant seas where they live. I love sailing forbidden seas and landing on dangerous coasts. I dreamed of whales. Whole schools of whales swam through my mind. And among them all, there was the great white whale, Moby Dick.